Hello friends, welcome to our channel Vivek Pandey Academy. In this video we are going to talk about IIT Hyderabad, and in this video I am going to give all information about IIT Hyderabad, in detail information about placement, hostels, admission process, courses, facilities, fees of the different courses, entrance exam for the different courses. So we are going to talk all about IIT Hyderabad, how to take admission and how we can get placement from here. Then we will start video. Our establishment year of IIT Hyderabad is 2008. So this is one of the new IITs which was established in 21st century. After 90s this IIT in 2000 starts. Area is 576 acres. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana state. State is Telangana and location is Hyderabad. IIT Hyderabad. Worldwide rankings of IIT Hyderabad. NRF research ranking was 15 in 2021. NRF engineering ranking was 8. सो आप देख सकते हैं कि कॉलेज कितना अच्छा है. 2008 में स्टार्ट हुआ था और रैंकिंग इसकी इतनी अच्छी. NRF ओवरऑल रैंकिंग was 16. QS वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग इन 2021 was 601 to 650. NRF engineering ranking is 8 out of 100 and Jagran Josh ranking was 7 out of 150. So you can see where IIT Hyderabad stands in worldwide. Courses, which courses are available, what is fees of that courses, and what is eligibility criteria for these courses. We will going to talk about BTech 2.23 lakh. This is only institute fees, and per semester hostel and mess fees is around 30,000. So 30 to 40,000. So your 1 year fees including hostel mess is 3 lakh for BTech. MTech 5 lakh फर्स्ट ईयर, और फर्स्ट ईयर के बाद सेकेंड ईयर में आपकी थोड़ी फ़ीस कम हो सकती है क्योंकि कुछ वन टाइम फ़ीस होते हैं, डिपॉजिट्स होते हैं, वो आपको बाद में रिफ़ंड भी मिलते हैं कुछ डिपॉजिट्स, और कुछ केवल वन टाइम होते हैं, मतलब फर्स्ट ईयर में बस लिया जाता है. बैचलर इन डिज़ाइन इज़ अवेलेबल, master in design is available, PhD is available here, and MSc is also available. For getting admission in MTech and PhD also, we have to appear for GATE exam. For taking admission in master in design and PhD in design, we have to appear for SEED exam, CEED. And for taking admission in MSc, we have to prepare and appear for IIT JAM. And for taking admission in bachelor in design, we have to appear for undergraduate SEED, UCEED. For BTech, the eligibility criteria is we have to appear for JEE mains plus JEE followed by JEE advanced, and eligibility criteria minimum percentage is 75% in class 12 if you belong from general category, and if you have any caste like ST, SC, and physically handicapped PWD candidates have to require 65%, and counseling is through by JOSA counseling. आफ्टर योर रिज़ल्ट जोसा काउंसलिंग के थ्रू आपको अप्लाई करना है. IITs में अपनी प्रेफरेंसेस भरनी होती है. ब्रांचेस इन बीटेक आर कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इंजीनियरिंग साइंस, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, मैथमेटिक्स एंड कंप्यूटिंग, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग, सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग, इंजीनियरिंग इन फिजिक्स, मेटलर्जिकल एंड मटेरियल्स इंजीनियरिंग, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एंड बायो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, बायो इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटेशनल साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग, इंडस्ट्रियल केमिस्ट्री इंजीनियरिंग, biomedical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering. So many branches are available in this college, but there are limited seats in every branch. Cutoff for taking admission in BTech. BTech Computer Science and Engineering 919 to 1227 for female only, and for gender neutral 191 to 520. For artificial intelligence 1714 to 1747 for female, and for gender neutral it is 330 to 676. So you can see all branches are cut off are given here. Other means in this quota female and male both students can take, and in female quota only female students are respected to take, only female students are allowed. So this was, and other was gender neutral, means both boys and girls can take in this particular. Number of companies visited in 2020 was 120 plus, and 2021 it was 195. So this is increasing. Number of companies with offers was 101 in 2021. Total number of the students 601. Number of the students registered for the placement 537. 600 स्टूडेंट्स में से 537 स्टूडेंट्स ने रजिस्टर किया. So many of the students didn't apply for attend placements. They do their business or any other works. So highest CTC was 60 lakhs per annum. This was domestic, and international can be more than 1 crore. In IITs it can be more than 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore 20 lakhs, 1.5 crore. But in IIT Hyderabad it is not 1.5 crore, it is something around 1 crore and 1.20 crore. Now we will talk about hostel facilities. How are the hostels? So in IIT Hyderabad there are total 12 blocks, from which 9 are for boys and 3 are for girls. These blocks are highly ventilated, and drinking water at every floor is available. IIT Hyderabad has highly maintained and hygienic hostel. With hostels accommodation is not, while hostel accommodation is not necessary, कि अगर आप चाहें तो हॉस्टल ले सकते हैं, अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो आप नहीं भी ले सकते हैं, कोई कंपल्शन नहीं. These hostels have inbuilt cooling system, so like there is AC like facilities for summer. In main hostels, students are given their individual rooms with available basic furniture like bed, table, chair, study table. IIT Hyderabad placements in BTech. How were the placements in BTech? Total number of students registered 268. Number of the students placed in companies 185. This is not for CS, not for computer science and engineering. It is all over in BTech. Percentage of students placed 69.55%. IIT Hyderabad placement course wise. Now we will see course wise. In BTech 268 students registered and 185 students got placement. In MTech 165 students applied for placement, registered for placement, and 84 students got selected in placement. In MSc 54 students registered and 6 students only got placement. So in MSc placement is not more good, because these students go for like PhD, they do professor lecturership. So in BTech it was percentage of placement was 69%, in MTech 51.53%, in MSc 11%. BTech 20 lakhs per annum, and MTech was also 20 lakhs 0.56 lakhs per annum. MSc it was 7 lakhs per annum. Now we will talk about department wise placement. How many students placed from different departments? Computer science engineering 76 students got placement. In electrical engineering, 63 students got placement. Mechanical and aerospace engineering, 42 students got placement. In civil engineering, 20 students got placement. In electrical engineering, 20 students got placement. In engineering science, 18 students get placed. Engineering in physics, 14 students got placement. So these are the different departments where the placement got, number of the students placement got from that departments. Percentage of students placed in 2021 was 69.55% in BTech, and in 2019-20 it was 77.30%. Average CTC in 2021 was 20 lakhs, and in 2019-20 it was 21.67 lakh. Number of students opted for higher studies 2, and in 2019 27. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें. इफ़ यू हैव फर्स्ट कम टू आवर चैनल, देन सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल and like to this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, please press the bell icon, and you can see many of our videos on IITs, triple IITs and NITs. Before taking admission, you can choose which is for best for you. By seeing this video, you can decide it where is fee less and where we can got highest placement. सो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो गाइस. मिलेंगे इसी तरह के किसी और वीडियो में.